Hi babes, welcome back. My name's Eman. Today, you guys, I'm going to be talking about my hair transformation. I mentioned it in my last video and I said I was going to do a dedicated video just talking about my hair, everything from how I style it, what products I'm using, and how I got this color. So if you guys want to see all that, keep watching. All right, guys, let's start with the color. So kind of out of nowhere, decided that I was ready for a change. It was time to do a major drastic hair color change. And I went into my hairdresser. I think it's really helpful to have inspiration pictures to show your hairstylist so then you guys are on the same page. So I'll show you guys the hair reference pictures that I showed her. And they all had like kind of this warm undertone to them. This was kind of the main picture that I showed her as my reference. I really loved how in this picture, the girl's hair wasn't all one color. It was like a bunch of different colors, which I feel makes it look so much more natural. So this color down here, you guys could see it's really brown, obviously compared to the top. This is my base. This is my natural color. We did not touch it. She kept my base all throughout my head. So you guys could see my base is underneath here in certain areas and especially on the bottom. And then she just added these highlights kind of all over, really blended in. That was the main thing I told her. I wanted the highlights to be super blended in. I didn't want any strands to stand out more than others. So they're all the same kind of width. And then the other key thing with getting this color and making it more maintenance friendly is that we did not start at the root. So you guys could see we kind of just started like from down here. So when this color grows out and I have roots, it doesn't look drastic. It still looks wearable and I can kind of have roots for a few months and it not be a big deal. I told her the main thing is I wanted to look natural and I wanted to be easy maintenance as possible. So the main thing, you guys, is like we kept a lot of these highlight pieces in the front of my face, a lot of the darker tones in the back. So you guys could see a lot of the darker natural color of my hair is in the back. So there's a lot less highlights there. And that's what I love about this is that it has so much dimension. It's not just one flat color. So that is basically everything for the color. And now I'm going to show you guys how I've been styling my hair and the products that I use. All right, guys. So I am starting with wet hair out of the shower. This is just towel dried. That's it. To get this look, I only use 3 products. The first thing that I use is a leave-in conditioner. I just love this because it helps me comb out my hair easier without like any tangles or anything. This one is from Freida. It is the Daily Nourishment Leave-In Conditioner. Detangles for touchable smoothness without frizz. And I basically just spray this all over my hair, really concentrating kind of from like the middle down to my ends. Not so much at the roots, but more just starting from the mid shaft all the way to my ends. Then I like using a nice big wide tooth comb. This just helps detangle the hair, get any of the knots out. If there are any, the leave-in conditioner definitely helps this. So it just brushes out so much smoother. This also kind of like works the product in as well to get it everywhere that you need it. All right, so the next product that you guys, this is the main product that I am obsessed with for getting this hair look, and it's kind of like changed my hair game. I never used to wear my hair naturally curly and let it air dry until I found this product. It is from OGX. It is the Coconut Curls Air Dry Cream. This stuff is awesome, you guys. It's such a nice cream for making your curls just kind of pop. If you have natural curls or a natural wave to your hair, this cream really brings out the curls or the wave. And I love the way that the curls look after. They're like kind of like beachy waves. It's so pretty. I love that it's a cream, so much nicer than a mousse or a spray. The cream, it helps moisturize and hydrate your hair and leave it really soft without any frizz while giving you those beautiful curls. So I take probably about pretty decent amount, probably about that much. And then I work it into my hands, and then I just spread it all through my hair. Again, starting mainly from the mid shaft all the way down to my ends. I make sure I get this everywhere. Plus, this stuff smells amazing, you guys. It smells like coconuts. It smells like summer. It's so good. Once most of the products has been spread into the rest of my hair, then whatever is left on my hands, then I kind of go starting from the roots and run it through the rest of my hair, just through all of it to make it super smooth. All right, the last product that I use, you guys, is kind of optional. You don't have to do this, but I kind of like to do it. This is from Moroccan oil, and it is a repair serum for your split ends. So I like to put this just on my ends so my ends don't look dry. Again, you don't have to do this step, but if you want to, you could always use an oil or some kind of serum. I find that it really helps to protect your ends, and then they won't look frizzy, which is never a good look. Then I go in and I scrunch my hair to kind of make those natural curls pop out. This is a really important step because if you don't do this, then your hair can have like pieces that are a little bit straighter, a little bit more curly. So this helps kind of make the curls a little bit more uniform. So I just go in and I just grab all the hair in my hand, I scrunch it and I push it up towards my roots, hold it for a sec, and then release it. And this really brings out the curls. All right, guys, that's basically it. So then I just let it air dry. I don't really do much else. Don't really play with it. I kind of just like let it sit back and air dry, and it usually takes like, I don't know, depending on, I guess, how warm out it is. Sometimes if I go outside, like it'll air dry a lot quicker. I usually do my hair first, and then while my hair is drying, I'll do my makeup. So I'm gonna let this air dry and I'll check in with you guys as soon as it's kind of dry. All right, guys, I finished up my makeup. I let my hair air dry. And this is kind of what I get when I just let it air dry without doing anything to it at all. I can definitely just leave it like this. I love that the curls are like bouncy and fun. I got like Shakira J-Lo vibes going on, and my hair feels so soft, and it smells amazing. So a lot of the days I just leave it like this and go and do whatever I need to do. But then sometimes what I do is I take a 1-inch curling wand and I kind of use it just to freshen up some of the curls. So I'll just kind of go around and pick random strands here and there, wrap them around the wand. I barely leave it on for any time at all because it curls super quickly because of all the product and because it's already curly. So there's that consistency there. So the hair just holds a curl very easily. So I barely leave it on and I just like grab any random pieces. It makes it look less wild and just gives it a little bit more of a uniform look. So sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't. But when I do, I also love this vibe as well. Also, you guys might have noticed that once I release the curl, I like to kind of tug on it a little bit because then it makes it look a little bit more relaxed and not so tight. That's one of the best ways to kind of get more of a beachy look rather than like tight curls. And that's all I do, guys. I let this sit for about 5-10 minutes and then I kind of just brush out the curls, and that's the look. That is everything about my hair, you guys, how I've been styling it, the color, everything. One thing I do want to mention is that the more that I go out in the sun, the color definitely changes a little bit because the sun kind of pulls out all the toner, and the toner is what tones everything to be not brassy, not that weird orangey color. So I will have to get it touched up in probably in about a month. And then also I use a specific shampoo and conditioner that is for color treated hair. The one that I use is from Davines, and that just helps protect the color as well. Picking your hair color is all about matching your skin tone, and your eye color, just your overall coloring, is so important. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new. Leave me any questions that you have and add me on Instagram at Eman, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. Bye.